This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a blue, indigo, weathered Teak II interior, sleeps 2, LP detector, microwave, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, TV, refrigerator, smoke detector, external shower, skylight, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.